Welcome back to another video from Makwala on cars. Today we are actually doing a minor service for our car. We bought 4 plugs as well as the petrol filter. So those are the only 2 things that I'm going to be changing on my car. So I'm going to be showing you how we do it. Oh, we're also going to be cleaning this air filter box as well. And yeah, our air filter still looks good. It's not bad. So we're just going to get a cloth and clean inside here, and then we take everything back. If we had a pressure, you're gonna actually pressure this thing, but you can just shake it a little bit, and then yeah, that's it. So thanks for the cloth. That's the first house. So we are done with the air filter. If you want, you can buy a new one, but if you have an air compressor, you can just use air compressor to clean the air. So you're gonna take this thing back, and this is how we put our air filter on the car. Okay, you must check this thing. It tells you where to put it back. So, just like that. Spanner we're gonna use here because I'm not sure about the size. Okay, so it's this one, because you can see this one is too small, so we're gonna be using this one. This one we don't need. So for you not to get confused when coming to these things, because this car doesn't use this is not a modern car, so the coil peg for this one is this one. So this one is a coil. So we're gonna take this thing out, unscrew your coil, unscrew your plug. It's too tight, papa. Yeah, so they're really tight, these plugs, but they're not bad. But it looks like my plugs are still okay. I changed this thing last year. Let's check. Yeah. So no, they've been bent. You remember I told you that the plugs staggered their top. They're getting wet. You can see this thing. The plugs are getting wet a little bit. So we're gonna put a new one. So for you not to get confused and not know where to plug these cables, all you need to do is to administrate this thing one by one, so that you don't get confused. Yeah, let's take this one out now. Let me remove the whole stick. Test the oil, Lungana. Yeah. Okay, get it. In Agri. Yeah, no, my plugs are getting wet. You can see here, this thing is wet. They've been bending. Let's put a new one. See how clean this one is. This is old, this is new. Apa sih la foto? La combo? Uthela jamani kulo combo. Tawafana badi laptop. Abadi ini.
Now we are doing the plugs. This 100 you only fix it the way we the day we want to fix it, but normally so when you feel like it, the one of
Are you aware that you're speaking and the mic is on me? Whatever that you're saying is not the way. I'm not gonna do any voice over. I'm not gonna music. You put the music. You let the music rock. There's a sequence they use for this thing. I forgot what they call. What's that sequence? Yeah. How you know which one goes to where, which one goes to. This thing, I guess this one connects the plugs to distributor. So this is what we call distributor. So this cable connects from distributor to the plug, I guess, and you also connect to the coil. So, but the modern days cars, your coil is not your coil pack. You will have this as a coil pack on your modern day cars, like on the Polo and these other modern day cars. You will have it as a one thing. You don't have your coil pack there, and then you have your this one is tight. Let me come this side. Someone decided not to record the rest of the video. So while editing, I realized that some videos are missing. So after I replaced my spark plugs, I then went on to replace the petrol filter. So everything on this car costed us 110 rand. So the four spark plugs and petrol filter, the cost it was 110 rand. Yeah, that was my smaller service that I had to do on my car. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.